After the collision happened, I was really confused. I asked them what happened. They were just playing dumb, I guess. And in my head, I was like, okay, well, they're obviously not gonna admit it. I have to go home and see this dash cam footage. I didn't realize until I got home that there was a fourth person who, in my opinion, was the driver. I feel like you can see that from the video. And I also later found out that there was a second car involved, which was the red Kia. It wasn't until my sister mentioned to me that it's possible insurance fraud, and when we saw everything in the footage, I felt violated. You're putting my life at risk, you're putting your own life at risk.
Hey, what happened?
I've had a lot of people reach out to me telling me that something similar happened to them, but they didn't have a dash cam to prove it. Everyone's initial reaction is like, oh my God, I can't believe this happened, are you okay? And then their second thought is, I need to get a dash cam as soon as possible. I feel like it's such an important thing that people don't really acknowledge until it's too late.